How to add video to Shopify without YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add a video on your Shopify page or your store without YouTube. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you can open up your Shopify admin and then you can just click on view your site. Now we can click on edit home page. So once we are editing our home page, then you can see we have this panel right here. So we can just scroll down and we have the video option given. So I'm going to click on it and it will open up the video for me. And we know we can add a heading, we can select the size, and then we have a URL right here. And you can see the URL says youtube.com and where we can add a video from YouTube. And that's what we usually do. We add a URL from YouTube. But keep in mind that we can also add a video without YouTube. So it depends on you that what URL you want to go for. So what you can do is you can just clean this URL from here, just like, remove it. And now what I can do is I can go ahead and get a URL of any video from a website, from any platform, from TikTok or any other video platform where I have the video or the video that I have created myself. So I can just go ahead and get the URL and then paste the URL right here. It's not necessary that it should be a YouTube URL. So that's how easy it is. You can just paste the URL right here and then click on save and your video will be added to Shopify without YouTube. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.